Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Discover Your Own Urja with Shameen. So yes, as promised earlier, I am back with the continuation of the drama triangle. We were talking about circular thoughts and I explained to you that how when we engage with three people, we get into a triangle which is difficult to come out of. So today I am going to talk about another triangle. So viewers, this triangle is an internal triangle. Internal meaning perpetrator is still there, victim is also there, and the rescuer is also there. The only difference is that this triangle is happening in my mind. I am my own perpetrator, I am my own victim, and I am my own rescuer. So, let us take the same story ahead. Remember I told you a story about a household where there was a husband, wife, kid, and a mother-in-law. So, taking the same story ahead, after negotiating that whole circular dialogues in the family, the daughter-in-law or the woman of the house, the mother of that kid, now packs her tiffin and goes to her work, and she is on her way. And as she is on her way, she is sitting and there is a voice that comes in her mind. And that voice is, what was the need for you to talk like this early in the morning? Then there is another voice, but I was just trying to discipline my child. Then there is a third voice. What is the use? Did you discipline him? Whenever you initiate something, the problem with you is that you always fall flat on the ground. Nobody listens to you. So viewers, I'm sure you guessed it. The first voice was of the perpetrator. The second voice was of the rescuer. I was disciplining my child. And the third voice was of a victim. I always fall flat on the ground. Nobody listens to me. Okay. Now, do you think these thoughts will stop at this? No. Not at all. I'm sure you agree with it. And so what happens is, if the journey is an hour's journey for the whole hour, she is into this circular thinking, circular thinking, circular thinking. And by the time she reaches her office, in an hour's time, she feels that she has done physical work for 5 hours. She's absolutely tired. And I'm sure many of you can relate with this. So yes, I explained the triangle, but I did not tell you how do you come out from the triangle. So let us go to the remedy or the resolution. So viewers, if you are a victim, can you leave the triangle? Certainly not, because the story is on you. If you are a rescuer, can you leave the triangle? Not at all, because you are the one who is rescuing. So the only position in which you can leave the triangle is in the space of the perpetrator. So, just as I explained in my last video, externally you can say I'm sorry and come out of the triangle, but internally what will you do? Same way, the voice has to be a strong voice in your mind, asking you to stop. Stop this circular thinking. I do not want to think in this direction and I am willing to put these thoughts in the parking lot. I will reach out to them when there is any need. Does this make sense? Yes, many of you would be thinking, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. The only thing that is required here is mindfulness that you are in a circular thought, and most importantly, self effort. Nobody, only you and you can make a difference to you. And yes, we can stop these circular thoughts. So, all the very best, and see you soon in the next video.